The 11.5-inch wireless CarPlay screen stands out with its large, high-definition display, offering an immersive viewing experience while ensuring it does not obstruct the driver's view. A free mobile control application enhances convenience by allowing you to manage dashcam videos effortlessly through your smartphone thanks to its fast 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi connectivity. This device supports seamless wireless integration with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it a perfect upgrade for older vehicles lacking modern infotainment systems. Equipped with a 4K dash camera and a 1080-pixel rear camera, it ensures capturing high-quality footage for both front and rear views, even in challenging weather conditions. The CarPlay screen includes 64 gigabytes of storage with DVR loop recording, ensuring continuous documentation of your journeys without missing any crucial moments. Featuring mirror link capabilities and various audio output options, this device transforms your car into a multimedia hub with stereo sound comparable to premium double-din systems.